like a tire wear, and it's definitely using the outside shoulders a little bit more. Actually, I think that was a little more extreme. That one needs a little more camber. So you can see the outside shoulder is getting really chewed up, where the inside isn't. So we need a little bit more camber. So we're going to add some camber, and then we are going to try to fix the toe using, using all the QuickTrick stuff. You can do that at the track. Something you really, kind of a necessary tool you need if you're going to be tracking the car. You need to be able to check alignment or fix your alignment at the track. You can't bring an alignment rack with you. You can't go to a place to get an alignment on a Sunday afternoon. So you can't do it without QuickTrick.
Mike's right here. This is Mike Proper the White Tie. What are you checking out here, Mike?
I'm using my new QuickTrick Extreme. Shout out to the Gil and the guys at QuickTrick. It's an amazing product. Checking out my camber. I caught a curve pretty hard on the track. Make sure everything's still in spec. This allows me to measure camber, but also to do caster and toe.
This is the new setup too. We didn't have this one before, did we?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
benefit, it's lighter weight, aluminum. These arms fold out with an additional stability. I love this product.
Fuck yeah, man. Well, it's definitely helping us out this weekend. Hopefully we can crack this record here. Wish us luck, everyone.